What's going on, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors at Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a test drive on a 1965 Mustang. Under the hood's a little 289. Looks like it's got an AC compressor. No power steering on this car. We're going to be going over everything during the test drive. When we get back, we'll do a little walk around on this car, point out any chips, scratches, checking the interior out, and opening the trunk. Definitely check out maplemotors.com to see all of our inventory. We have pricing available on that website, along with close to 100 detailed pictures of every car. Finance options and shipping is available. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before we take off, gonna check out the car on the inside. We'll go ahead and start her up here. Starts up nice and easy. Showing 43,000 miles on the dash. It's like most of our gauges are coming up. There's no way the temperature's hot. We just started the car, so I don't believe that gauge is working correctly. We will be stopping and getting gas at the gas station. Gas gauge is right there, close to the E mark. Oil pressure gauge isn't really moving either. It just barely moved when I did that. So, looking around on the interior, this is blowing nice and hard, but it's not cold, and I couldn't get the AC compressor to cut on or pull down on the motor, which is a bummer. But we do have a convertible here that we're going to be using today, so we'll go ahead and drop the top here in a moment and take off down the road. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? We'll be trying that out here in a moment as well. I guess since we're sitting here, we'll go ahead and drop the top. I think this top is going to be manual. So we're going to hop out here. If it is manual, it's one-handed. They're very easy to throw back. And the clips are there, so it's already clipped in on this side. Clips in on that side. We'll go ahead and roll down this window here. Let me open this door. I think it was getting caught on the door there. It was. New rubber in here too. I gotta leave this window up because that's where y'all are going for the test drive. This car looks awesome. Alright, guys, we'll put y'all in the window. We're going to take off first, but not last. Let's try the horn. Think it works? It works. Horn works. Let's go. Getting ready to take off here. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Alright. Yeah, the temp gauge is reading wrong. I went and grabbed a meter and check the temperature of the motor. It is running at 170. That temp gauge is like maxed out here. It's just not correct. So, all right. Anything I see that this car may need, I will point out. Speedometer's coming up right away. I did notice there's a radio in the glove box. So you got your updated radio there. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. Steering's nice and tight. Brakes. Stopping fast. Definitely got that Mustang ground to it. We're gonna stop up here and get some gas for sure. Because if the gas gauge is working correctly, it's showing we're about to run out. Start signals are popping up on the dash. About $20 worth of fuel in this car, and we'll get to rolling. All right, getting ready to take off here. Your gas gauge is on the left of the dash. Let me get you up under here. Turn the key on, starting to come up. I'm able to take off here now. Gave us over half a tank. Good deal. Guys, get ready to take off here. Head on down the road back towards the car lot. Got y'all on the virtual head cam here. Oh, it puts you up into third. I had us in second there for a second. Hopefully there's not a ton of wind noise from the top being down. Y'all being right on top of my head here. People give me the weirdest looks while I wear this. But so far so good on this car. It's been running really good. That fly out. This road right here's got the big old speed bump in it. We're gonna hit it. See how the suspension is. Kind of give you a good idea at least. Right here. All right. Open road again. Pull on back into the car lot here. We'll finish up this video. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We post videos like this every day. We get about 30 to 40 cars a month up here at Maple Motors. Be trying to help you out, but check out both videos, test drive and walk around, and definitely check out the 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com. Also have financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and yes, we can ship these cars all over the country. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys. Walk around video will be located the last 30 seconds of this one at the bottom right of your screen.